Kickstart 2024, your complete guide to starting the keto diet. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are ready to kickstart your health journey in 2024. We will be diving into something incredible today, that is, the ketogenic diet. It's not just a diet. It's a change in your lifestyle that could transform the way you feel and the way you look this year. But what exactly is keto diet? Let me tell you. It's not about deprivation. It's about a smarter way of eating. Simply, keto is a high-fat, low-carb diet that puts your body in a metabolic state which is called ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fats for fuel instead of carbs, which then results in weight loss and improved energy. But keto diet isn't just about weight loss. It's a powerhouse for your overall health. Beyond losing pounds of your weight, keto can boost your energy, enhance your mental clarity, and potentially improves various health markers like blood sugar levels. Now, are you ready to get started? Let's see what you can eat and how to plan your meals. You should eat high-fat foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil while reducing carbs like bread and sugar. Plan your meals around protein sources like meat, fish, and eggs. Avoid common mistakes and ensure success on your keto journey. You have to stay hydrated, monitor your electrolytes, and be mindful of hidden sugars in processed keto foods. Aim for whole, nutrient-dense options. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress and making this lifestyle work for you. You are supposed to focus on consistency over perfection. Go for a balanced approach and find keto-friendly alternatives for your favorite foods. We wish you luck for an amazing 2024, filled with health, happiness, and the best version of you. Let's celebrate every small win and keep going. Your journey to a healthier you starts right now. So thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone looking for a healthy change this year. Cheers to a fantastic keto journey ahead. See you in the next one.